Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a depth module for the Tadpole in Subnautica 2. To find the depth module, we are going to have to explore into deeper waters. But first, we need to reach over to the other side of the trench, pretty much right here, right beside the alien ruins. Since you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're already at this location, but if you're not, don't worry, you can visit this location pretty much just by going straight east from the life pod, and you should reach it after 1,200 meters of swimming. However, be careful because there is a huge trench in between that is housing a hostile leviathan that will attack you if it manages to find you. So my advice is staying as close to the surface water while going here, or going as deep as your tadpole can reach, and just be mindful of where it is at. And if you're lucky, you'll get to the alien ruins pretty much untouched. Now from the alien ruins, facing the direction of south by southeast, you should barely see a formation of rock in the distance. That's where we're going. Just make your way over and do make use of this hoops that you can find. These will give you speed boosts that will dramatically speed up your traveling time. I'll try to speed up the video and not cut any important parts, in case you need the full detail, or right at this point here you'll find a hole at the bottom. Make your way inside and you will find a tadpole wreckage immediately. Snatch the chip immediately as this contains the depth module, and also scan the tadpole hull chassis along with it. Don't overstay your welcome though, since there are hostile enemies nearby. Now back on your modification station, the depth module will need 3 pieces of celestine, 2 enameled glass and a system chip for you to make it. For most of the materials that you need for the module, you can just use a scanning station to look for them, so make sure to set up an outpost with a scanning station inside so you can collect these materials. Once you have all of them, just make it and slap it on your tadpole, and that's about it on how to get a depth module for the tadpole in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.